हर कपड़े की एक कहानी होती है और कुछ कहानियाँ पहनी नहीं महसूस की जाती। 1972 एक छोटी सी शॉप और सिंपल सा आइडिया। टाइम बदला पर ये लेगेसी ब्रांड नहीं। प्रेजेंटिंग आहूजा सन्स।
आज मैं आपको लेके चल रही हूँ एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ सिर्फ कपड़े नहीं स्टोरीज मिलती है।
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन क्लीन, क्लासी और बिल्कुल सॉर्टेड। मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है सारी चीज़ें बहुत थॉटफुली प्लेस की गई है।
हेलो मैम, वेलकम टू आहूजा सन्स।
हाय, मुझे ट्रेडिशनल वेयर एक्सप्लोर करना है, समथिंग क्लासी। दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर ट्रेडिशनल वेयर।
आइए मैम, आपको दिखाते हैं वो दुनिया जहाँ हर एक हेड की एक कहानी होता है। मैम आपको दिखाते हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर की कलेक्शन। या मैम ये हमारा सेकंड फ्लोर का फैंसी स्टोल कलेक्शन है।
हाँ जी।
थर्ड फ्लोर का लग्जरी कलेक्शन मैम एक्सप्लोर कराएंगे।
Hi ma'am, I am Jagriti.
Hi, myself Ansi. So I will be exploring you the luxury floor, which is a third floor, which comes in Pashmina here. You will get all the variety here, and it comes into the shawls basically. Here you will get all the shawls, which is like handmade crafted, handmade embroidery, handmade painted also. You will see the sizes as well, like ladies and the men's sizes, and we do have a between sizes also that like women's and men both can wear it.
Excuse me ma'am, I want to ask one question to you.
Yes, sure.
What is the secret behind of a premium feel?
Okay, the premium feel which you have seen in the ground floor and the first floor and the second floor, which is like for the regular purpose. You will getting a cashmere over there, you will getting a woolen over there. So like for everyday purpose, or if you want to give a gift as well, so that collection you will be getting on the lower floors. Over here you will be getting all the luxury patterns here. Like the embroidery which you will see, which is very fine, which is like artisan has made that products, you will get on this floor.
What is the difference between of a cashmere and pashmina?
Okay, the cashmere is basically a power loom product which is made with the machine made, and it's very lightweighted. But over here pashmina is also a very fine quality than the cashmere, which is like handmade and hand embroidery. So let me introduce some more of the options with the embroidery one, which is having a very fine embroidery, and like it's all over also. So we do have some of the similar categories. We have plains, we have embroidery, full embroidery, we have kalamkari, we have abdar, we do have gulabdar also. So you can just let me know whichever you like it.
I would like to try embroidery shawls.
Embroidery shawls, like you want to see like all over embroidery?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, please have a sit this side.
Thank you so much.
So I will be showing you the kalamkari shawl, which is this one. This is a very beautiful shawl which is kalamkari, which is hand painted and hand embroidery, which having like very fine thin needle work on this.
Yes ma'am, the fabric is so
Yes, you will find very lightweight. Yeah, very lightweight and it's very fine fabric also.
The pattern is also so good.
Thank you.
I would like to try.
Would you like to drape it?
Yes
okay.
ma'am.
Come this side. You can drape it like this. ऐसे drape करेंगे. Yeah. You can wear it with your sari, with your suits, with your Indian wear, with in any occasion you can wear it. This one.
Can we gift these shawls to any?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can gift it with your for your mother, for your grandparents also,
What
if they like the colors.
maintenance of these shawls?
So we do only do the dry cleaning.
Okay.
Only dry clean, and after the dry cleaning every season, if you will wear it, the shawls, you have to do the dry cleaning and then keep it in the airtight poly bag.
Okay ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving a wonderful experience, and I really like the collections in your Ahuja Sons.
Welcome, ma'am, so much, and do visit again, ma'am, for Ahuja.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Let's take a feedback from customers. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
You are a regular customer here?
Yes, we quite often come to Ahuja Sons.
Okay, so how's your collection and what is your experience here?
I think they have a very good variety of stoles, shawls, be it men, women. So I quite like the collection here at the store, and we often visit for gifting and for ourselves as well.
Okay, so you like the environment of Ahuja Sons?
Yes, I mean we've been to different outlets of Ahuja Sons. One's at South Tex, we've been at the one at Noida as well.
Okay.
Yeah, of course the variety varies, but it always brings us back to the store.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
giving
you.
us so much good
Thank
feedback. इस एक्सपीरियंस को यहीं नहीं एंड करते हैं, आइए चलिए मिलते हैं जो इस आहूजा सन को और भी स्पेशल बनाता है. मीट टू एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ आहूजा सन्स.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
I
visiting.
had a wonderful experience here, and I really like the collections of Ahuja Sons. अगर आप ट्रेडिशन वेयर सिर्फ पहनना नहीं फील करना चाहते हैं, जो हर आउटफिट को स्पेशल बनाते हैं, प्लीज कम एंड एक्सपीरियंस हैंडलूम फैब्रिक ऑफ इंडिया एट आहूजा सन्स. साइनिंग ऑफ जागृति.